So hello guys, with the name of God Ram Ram, we're going to solve this interesting Goldman online assessment problem, which is based on dynamic programming. Already more than 1700 people have seen this and tried, but they ultimately failed. And now we are going to succeed. Jokes apart, an array of costs is given. You always have to start at index 1. You can either make 2 jump forward or 1 jump backward. If you land on a particular index, you have to add the cost to your total. Find the minimum cost needed to cross the array or reach the end of the array. You can visit any index for only one time. Everyone write yes in the chat if they can see what is the main difference in this question apart from the normal journey questions. What is the main difference, guys? Can anyone write it? Can anyone write it in the chat? What is the main difference? Don't write yes. Tell me what is the main difference. Backward jump is also allowed, guys. See, Goldman. Goldman is telling you, Goldman Sachs is telling you that we are giving you an array, positive, negative numbers, everything can be there, but you are allowed to jump backwards also. Okay, you're allowed to jump backward also. So now this totally changes the problem. Okay, so now 2, 5, 8. Either you can jump +2 or -1. Either you can go from here to here on the right hand side +2 or to the left -1. You have to start at index 1 and you should reach either index n or more than index n. Even going outside of the array is fine in this problem. So guys, tell me, in this case, how will you reach from 1 to 3? Everyone write in the answer in the chat. There is only one way. You can only go from 1 to 3 with a jump of +2. There is no other way, na? You cannot go from 1 to 2. +1 jump is not allowed. Only +2 jump is allowed, Shimachal and Potti. So 2 to 8 and answer is 10. Yeah. Now guys, I'm going to test you. I'm going to test you to all my limits. Lovely people, you are at index 1. How to reach the last index or index more than last? Guys, write the ways in the chat. First way is you jump from 1 to 8. Then you jump from 8 to outside. Jumping outside is allowed. You can jump outside, but you can never come again in, okay? So guys, one answer is what? 1 plus 8, 9. Everyone write 9999 in the chat if they agree that 9 is one of the possible answers. In this, guys, what is the main question difference in this question? You don't exactly have to reach the index n. You can jump from the building. You can like go after the index n also. You can go beyond n also. It's fine. You just reach beyond n and give me the maximum sum. Either you reach n or beyond n. See, it is written in the question itself. Find the minimum cost needed to cross the array or reach the end. Reach the end means reach the end, the index number n, or cross it fully. Okay. So 1 plus 8 equal to 9 is the possible answer. Great, great, great. Let's say this was -5 and this was -10. Everyone write 999999 in the chat if they agree that yes sir, 9 is one of the possible answers. I do a jump of +2, then I again do +2 jump and I'm outside of the array. My job is done, guys. But guys, there is one more way. From 1 to you go to 3. Then you remember that girl who broke your heart in the past. You go and check her Facebook and Instagram profile. You're checking the past again. -1. You jump from 1 to 3. Now you are going one step back. One step back. Oh my God. So guys, 1 here, 8 here, and you are going here back -5. Now you are jumping plus 2 again, minus 10. And if you reach at the last index, your job is done. Now you don't need to do anything else. So guys, what will be the sum of this journey? 1 to 3, 1 to 3, then 3 to 2, then 2 to 4 again. So you are doing plus 2 jump, then minus 1, then plus 2 again. What is the sum of this journey? Minus 6. Everyone write minus 6 in the chat. Guys, does everyone in this whole meeting agrees that yes, sir, minus 6 and 9 both are the possible answer? Both are the answers, right? So, guys, which should be my final answer? Goldman is asking what? Minimum. Goldman is asking the minimum cost of the whole journey. So, answer is minus 6. Everyone write yes in the chat if they have realized the complexity of this problem is that you can anytime go and jump back. You don't know how to track it. Now, someone is saying how minus 6 is the final answer. Dipanjan, what were you doing? You only tell me, Dipanjan. You are allowed to do the jump of plus 2 or minus 1. I jump from 1 to here. Then I jump from 8 to minus 5. Then I jump from minus 5 to minus 10. Done. Clear, Dipanjan? The sum of the whole array is possible in this case. 1 plus 8. Yes, yes, Dipanjan. Yes. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 minus 5 is what? 4. 4 minus 10 is what? ये भी अब मैं ही सिखाऊं तुम लोग को. In case you don't know this, you have to go to your first, second standard teacher, and then you have to ask for a refund, and you need to give that money to me, and then I'll explain you how to do plus minus. Clear? Good. Now, because guys, that is not included in our course. Okay, how to do arithmetic plus minus, that you need to know yourself. Okay, prerequisites, guys. Prerequisite of Kumar K program. Clear? Everyone write yes in the chat if they know the prerequisites. Guys, quickly write yes. Should know how to do plus minus, multiply, divide. Okay, good job, great. At least you learned something. So now, guys, I am very kind. In the program at places, I have taught basic geometry also, because I know you guys did not study anything in your JE and engineering properly. So I'm taking that much care of you. Anyways, coming back to the main topic that I have taught in the geometry part of the course. Okay, 1 minus 5 you will find it in math section or matrix section. 1 minus 5, 8 and minus 10. So guys, you understood? Yes, sir. These are the possible ways. Okay, let's take another example. 2, 10, 8 and minus 5, minus 10 and 5. Guys, tell me any one way. Tell me any one way which will give you the minimum cost to end the journey from start to end. You start from here. Lovely people. Start using your lovely brain. Kumar K sir, student. Use common sense. It is nice question, right? Not easy like before. Everyone react with emoji if they are interested in this problem and they have realized the level of difficulty. Be quick, guys. React with emoji. Yeah. So we are popular for these kind of questions. No one is teaching like this. These type of problems in my way. So listen to it carefully. You can jump from here to here. Then what you will do? Let me check what was given. 2, 10, 8. So it is what? Acha, it is minus 5, minus 10. Guys, this is minus, huh? So now you can jump from here to here. 2 to 8. Then 8 to minus 10. Plus 2 jump. Now do one reverse. One jump reverse, guys. One jump reverse. Minus 5 you go there. Then guys, from here again plus 2 you reach the end. Congratulations, plus 5. So minus 5 plus 5 will cut itself. 2, 8, 10, and this will cut itself. 0 is the answer. Everyone write 0, 0, 0 in the chat. If they agree, yes sir, 0 is the minimum possible sum in this case. Guys, there was one more way. You go from 2 to 8, you go from 8 to minus 10, and then you can directly jump outside na. If you do plus 2 from minus 10, you will go outside of the array. Everyone write in the chat minus 10 to outside, because it is possible to go from minus 10 to outside. Sir, why can't we directly jump from index pi and jump outside? Yes, that's why I'm saying that is another way. You can jump from minus pi outside also. In that case, what will be the answer? Guys, you can go from 2 to 8, 8 to minus 10, and then outside. Going outside is also possible. In that case, also answer is 0 only. Okay? But yeah, reaching minus 5 and going outside is not possible. Guys, you cannot directly go from minus 5 to outside, because outside is at a distance of plus 3. You can only do plus 2 or minus 1. Got the point? बाहर जाने के लिए भी गट्स चाहिए होते हैं. ऐसे कहीं से भी उठ के बाहर नहीं जा सकते हो. Guys, I am asking you a simple question. If I am having an array of size n, from which index can I directly jump outside according to my question? Only very intelligent people will be able to tell me. If I'm doing my journey from here, what are the indices which I can use to jump outside of the array? I can only jump outside from n minus 1 by doing a plus 2 move, or I can jump outside from here. But jumping outside from here is of no use because no extra number will be added. Jumping outside from here is possible. Directly jumping outside from n minus 2 not possible. From n minus 2 you can make a plus 2 jump and reach n. From n minus 3 you can make a plus 2 jump and reach n minus 1. Only direct jump outside n minus 1 and n. And n is redundant. Only n minus 1. Can everyone experience and feel this? That only n minus 1 can help you to jump outside. You should never say that, sir, n can also help. Yeah, I know n can help, but n is not going to help in your answer. तुम ही सोचो ना, दिमाग दिमाग लगाओ. अगर तुम n पर पहुंच गए, तुमने सारे नंबर ऐड कर लिए, तो यहां से जंप आउटसाइड करके तुमको क्या मिल जाएगा जरा बताओ. कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. जो पहला आंसर था वही रहेगा. n माइनस 1 से जंप करते हैं ना, तो एक अच्छी बात ये होती है कि हमने लास्ट नंबर को कंसीडर नहीं किया. क्या पता हमारा सम मिनिमम हो जाए. इज दैट क्लियर टू यू? या. Now guys, you can visit any index only one time. That is also written in the question. Okay. Okay. Now guys, what is the biggest observation in this problem? Your journey, visualization. Einstein told it. Visualization, imagination is the most important thing. Guys, how will your normally your journey will look like? You will make a plus 2 jump here, then plus 2 here, then plus 2 here in general, plus 2 here. Then say you go one step backwards, then again plus 2 here, then again plus 2 here, then again plus 2 here. So guys, it is plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, one time backwards, then again plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. Guys, can anyone see something what only I saw and no one else saw? Your sequence of moves will always look like this: forward, 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 backward, forward, 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 backward, forward, 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 backward, forward, forward, forward. Guys, what is that thing which is the biggest observation in the sequence of moves? What is the biggest observation? There are no two consecutive backward moves possible. You can never go two times back. I will show you with the live proof. You jump from 1 to 3, okay. You jump from 3 to 5, okay. In backward you can only do -1, right? So you go from 5 to 4, backward move. You cannot go from 4 to 3 because 3 has already been visited. So guys, when you're trying to go back, only one backward move can be made. No consecutive backward moves can be made. This is the biggest observation for this problem. It is written also here. No consecutive backward moves can be made. Okay. Observation. No consecutive backward moves can be made, guys. No consecutive backward moves can be made. Okay, guys, this much is clear to them. Right? Yes, in the chat, if you wanted this kind of DP sessions, right? Yes. So I will bring them more and more for 8 months. Okay, good. Now, guys, listen. Next example. 2 minus 100, 850. Tell me, you are starting from index 1. What is the minimum sum you can get? You will say, sir, 1 to 4, sir, and then outside. In that case, what will be the answer? 2 plus 5, 7. Sorry, you cannot jump from, okay, 1 to 3, na? 1 to 3. You cannot jump from 1 to 4. So 2 plus 8, 10. And then you go from 8 to 0 and 0. Okay. So guys, 10 is a possible answer. Is there any way to get a more minimum answer than 10? Is there a way, guys? We are scientists, detective, detective Conan we are. Trying to find out what can be the minimum answer. Guys, jumping from 2 to 8 and 8 to 0, ये तो आपके फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड के बच्चे को भी आता है. कोई और तरीका है तो बताओ. Everyone knows 2 to 8, 8 to 0, 10 rupees. Minimum. What you can do, guys? Backward, backward. 2 to 8. Now you go from 8 to -100. Wow, awesome, awesome. Now you go from -100 to 5. So, guys, and then from 5 to outside. So, 2 plus 8 minus 100 plus 5 plus outside. So, 10 minus 100 minus 90 plus 5 minus 85 is the answer to the problem. So guys, is everything clear to everyone? Full understanding of the question, full observation, no doubt anywhere? Then we can go and proceed ahead. Okay guys, now listen to me carefully. What was the biggest observation of the mankind? The biggest observation of the mankind was that in Goldman Sachs online assessment for CTC 30 lakh in Indian role, you can only jump like this plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 like this again and again, again and again, again and again. But when you make a backward move, na, you can only do it one time. You cannot do -1 again. You again have to do plus 2, 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 plus 2. Then when you do -1, you can do the -1 only one time. You cannot repeat the -1. See, if your moves are like this, na, this is a valid set of moves. But this is wrong. Can anyone tell me why this is wrong? Shima Chalan, can you tell me why this is wrong? If you make an array like this, everyone tell me why the second set of moves are wrong. If you plus 2 means what? You go from 1 to 3. Plus 2 means you go from 3 to 5. -1 you go from 5 to 4. -1 4 to 3 cannot go to 4 to 3. It has already been visited. Please now guys, this much understanding should be clear that whenever you are going from this index to this index, na, let's say this is I, this is I minus 2. This has been visited and this has been visited. Now if you go one move backward, you are visiting I minus 1. But it is guaranteed that I minus 2 has been visited. Then you were able to reach I, na? So you can never go two moves backward. You can only go one move backward at a time. Once you reach here, you now again have to go ahead. You cannot reach the previously visited. You can only go to the new indices which have not been visited before. Shimachalan, is it clear to you? Shimachalan Potty? Yeah, seems like he is now out taking holiday. Okay, no problem. Hmm. Okay. All of you understood this brilliant thing. Nice. Awesome. Now, guys, biggest discovery. Let's try to do the DP in this. Okay. Always make a empty DP array. Okay. Clearing the DP of I, recurrence formula, DPI 1 to n. Guys, what should be the meaning of DP of I in this case? Can someone nicely write the meaning of DP of I in our this Goldman Sachs online assessment question? What should be the meaning of DP of I? The minimum answer. See, this is your index one, na? So DP of I should mean should mean the best way to get from 1 to I or outside of I. Okay, or outside of I. Okay, depending on your case. Let's guys, let's to keep things simple now. Let's define our DP of I as best way to reach from 1 to I in minimum cost. Okay, you don't need to calculate for outside. That will automatically be calculated depending on our case. For example, if this is the definition, guys, what will be the final answer? This is your array 1 to n. Final answer will be dp of n or dp of n minus 1. Why? Because if you know the best answer to reach from 1 to n minus 1, here you can just jump outside, right? Can you feel the difference in this question? How just dp of n is not the final answer. Both of them can be the final answer. Because आप तो कूद भी सकते हो ना n minus 1 से बाहर. Feeling आ गई? Okay. Now guys, still after creating this dp of I, na, everyone write yes in the chat if they agree that we are not able to make any proper formula. Why? Obviously, you can say that, sir, dp of I equal to na this number. Okay, b of I plus I will jump from here to here, na, dp of I minus 2. But this is just one side of the coin. You can go ahead and come from here to here also, na, and who will count those possibilities? So it's getting difficult to write here. Everyone write difficult, 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 difficult in the chat. If they understand that, right, directly writing the difficult formula is difficult for us. Because you can go from ahead to back also, no? So, but, guys, I taught this in my dynamic programming course so many times. Whichever thing is creating a problem for you in the question, I directly make a state for it. Guys, what is the thing which is creating problem in the question? Everyone write. Backward jump, forward jump. Everyone write in the chat. No Sakalya, no Sakalya, that is not correct. It gives wrong answer. Okay, ना, you need to be careful. Because तुम ऐसे directly नहीं लिख सकते. At index I, you cannot say that you are visiting this and then writing dp of I plus 1 as the answer, because you don't know if dp of I plus 1 is considering this move or not. Okay, there can be complications, so you cannot directly write like that, and dp of I plus 1 has not even been calculated when you are at index I, so you need to be little careful, Sakalya. Okay, anyways, guys, what is the thing, Sakalya? You write that in the chat now. What is that thing, Sakalya, which is creating the problem in our question? Everyone has written, you have not written, Sakalya. It is the forward jump and the backward jump. Clear, guys? Clear? So, guys, your state should look like this. DPI forward and DPI backward. This solves your whole problem. Now you can easily categorize. What is the meaning of DPI forward? Now, this is my question to you people. DPI forward. I'm going to call it as DPI1, okay? Okay, DPI1. DPI2. Let me call it as DPI2. Someone is coming from index I to I minus 2 to index I. Tell me the best answer in that case. Everyone write yes in the chat if they understood the meaning of DPI forward. Yeah, that's why Irana we are doing this. Guys, what is the meaning of DP of I forward? If this is index I, let's say this is 5, okay? This is 8, this is 10. Index 1, 2, 3. Guys, what will be DP of 3 forward? DP of 3 forward means you are reaching 3 with a forward jump. Means you are reaching 3 like this. Like this kind of jump you are making and reaching 3. So it will be 15. DP of I forward means that if this is the index I, you are reaching it from I minus 2 for sure. This is a forward jump. Forward. Is it clear to you people? What is the meaning of DP of I forward? Do you guys know calculating DP of I forward is the most easiest thing? Because it is easy, we know that. Great job. Great job. Nice, nice, nice. Awesome. Awesome. We know what's happening for DP of I forward. Now, guys, what will be the meaning of DP of I backward? Can anyone tell me? This is now hard stuff, okay? DP of I backward means you're reaching the index I from I plus 1. Guys, guys, guys. DP of I backward means you are reaching I from in a backward motion. In a backward motion, guys. In a backward motion means you are going from I plus 1 to I. Okay, so DP, DP. I know. You wanted this kind of questions. DP of I backward, backward is, let me call it as DPI1, okay? Someone is coming from index I plus 1 to I. Tell me best answer in that case. But guys, there is one thing which is helping us calculate these DP values. Sir, that's what my doubt was. DPN minus 1 backward. DPN minus 1 backward is not possible. We will write its value as infinity. Infinity means maximum value. We want minimum, so it will not be considered. Simple, Aman. So now, guys, what is the nice? Everyone tell me the meaning of DPI backward. Write in the chat nicely. DPI backward means you're reaching the index I after traveling I plus 1. Clear, guys? Clear? Everyone write I plus 1 to I plus 1 to I plus 1 to I plus 1 to I if they understand this. Yeah, yeah. रोहित नो 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 व्हाट यू हैव रिटन इज इनकरेक्ट ओके. जब तुम इंडेक्स आई पर होते हो ना रोहित, डीपी आई प्लस 1 का वैल्यू नहीं होता है. इंडेक्स आई पर होते हो तो तुम्हारे पास 1 से लेके डीपी आई माइनस 1 तक की वैल्यू होती है. तो फ्यूचर को कैसे निकाल के चेक कर सकते हो? यू कैन नेवर चेक द फ्यूचर, यू कैन ओनली चेक द पास्ट. अगर रोहित तुम्हारी उम्र 8 साल की है तो तुम अपना मेमोरी 1 से लेके 7 तक नहीं बता पाओगे, राइट? 9 साल की उम्र में क्या कर रहे थे वो कैसे पता चल जाएगा? इफ यू हैव सम टाइम मशीन लेट मी नो. क्लियर रोहित? So the thing is that when you are at index I, you can only know about the DP values of the previous indices, not I plus 1. But I am now trying to clear the meaning of DPI backward. DPI backward means the best answer to reach index I such that you have jumped from I plus 1 to I. Okay? Clear, guys? Uh, just a second, huh? Yeah. Now, guys, everyone write yes in the chat if they understood what is the meaning of DP of I backward. This is really brilliant stuff, guys. That's why I'm telling you. Someone needs to write the meaning of DP of I backward nicely in the chat. DP of I backward means you're going from I plus 1 to I. That's it, guys. That's it. Clear, guys? Clear? Now comes the interesting stuff. If you are coming from I plus 1 to I, you know you can make only one backward move. So use your brain and tell me from which index you must have reached I plus 1. If it is guaranteed, if it is guaranteed that you are going from I plus 1 to I, tell me how did you reach I plus 1? How did you reach I plus 1? Everyone write in the chat. Everyone. There is only one way. The only way possible is you jump from I minus 1 to I plus 1. Can you see the circle? If it dpi backward means you are going from I plus 1 to I, the best answer for that. But you can reach I plus 1 only if you are jumping from I minus 1 to that. It means what, guys? It means if you know the best answer till I minus 1, your job is done. Your job is done, actually. uh, dp of I backward, dp of I backward is nothing but what? dp of I minus 1, dp of I minus 1 forward. You should be able to reach I minus 1 in a forward fashion. If you are able to reach I minus 1 in a forward fashion, plus the last two numbers, which are those numbers? B of I also you are adding, and B of I plus 1 is you are adding. Guys, I can guarantee your third eye has opened at this formula, okay? This formula is solving everything. See how nicely we have made it for you people. The best answer to reach I in a backward fashion is the best answer to reach I minus 1 in a forward fashion, and then jump from I minus 1 to I plus 1. That's why you added B of I plus 1. Then you jump from I plus 1 to I. That's why you have added B of I. Clear, guys? Clear. Now, guys, there is one special thing. Can anyone tell me, sir, why did you write DPI minus 1 forward only? Why did you take, why are we taking only that case in which you are jumping from I minus 1 like here, then here, then here? Why not DPI minus 1 forward, backward fashion? Because if you take DPI minus 1 backward, full structure will break. If you are trying to reach I minus 1 in backward fashion, means you have visited I already. But it is not allowed to visit again and again. We have to consider that I has never been visited before. Do you guys now realize the importance of visiting I minus 1 in forward fashion only? अगर इसको उल्टी तरीके से आ रहे हो इस पे, तो फिर तुम I को visit दो बार कैसे कर सकते हो? Everyone write yes in the chat if they agree with this. Is it allowed to take? No. Chetan, only I minus 1 is allowed, and that also only one time, not consecutively. I plus 2 consecutively is allowed. So, guys, yeah. The nice thing about this problem is, Sri Sarvesh, you only see things carefully, okay? Sri Sarvesh, you only tell me one thing. What is the meaning of dp of I backward? Quickly tell me, Sri Sarvesh, you don't have much time. Tell in the chat. Tell fast. You have to go from I plus 1 to I. Okay. Sri Sarvesh, you only tell me, if you are going from I plus 1 to I, how can you reach I plus 1? From which index can you reach I plus 1? There is only one index possible. There is only one index possible. Which is that index, Sri Sarvesh? If you are going from I plus 1 to I, you need to reach I plus 1 also. Now, how will you reach I plus 1? You cannot say that I am going from I plus 2 to I plus 1. No, two backward moves are not allowed. You will be going from I minus 1 to I plus 1, right? Right? And this is the array. So, Sri Sarvesh, if you know the best answer till I minus 1, dp of I minus 1 plus these two numbers, b of I plus b of I plus 1 will be your answer. Right? Yes, in the chat, Sri Sarvesh, if you agree with the formula now. If you know the best answer till I minus 1 and you add these two numbers, you know the dpi backward. But Sri Sarvesh, one more thing. The best answer till I minus 1, you want this one in forward fashion. So dpi minus 1 forward plus b of I plus b of I plus 1. Why do you need to reach I plus 1 in a forward fashion? This means that when you are reaching I minus 1, you should always reach it like this. You should always reach from here to here in forward fashion. Why? Because if you are trying to reach I minus 1 in a backward fashion, this means you were at this position, then you went at I, and then you come at I minus 1. Now you cannot again go from I minus 1 to I plus 1 and then again I, because I will be visited two times like that. Mind blown, Aman. Sri Sarvesh, clear. You cannot do it two times. That's why this is a very difficult problem, and that's why only I am teaching you this. Okay. Okay. Good. Good. And that's why we have so many selection. Now, guys, everyone write yes in the chat if they understood this formula. This is clear. Now, guys, forward formula. Very, very easy. Index I minus 1, I minus 2. Guys, what will be DPI forward? This is simple. This is simple. DPI forward means you are jumping at I from index I minus 2. You are jumping from here to here. So, lovely, lovely people. Answer is plus B of I plus. There are two options. There are two options. Minimum of. Answer is B of I plus dp I minus 2 only. But you can reach dp of I minus 2 in both the ways. Backward ways also and forward ways also. Got the point, guys? If this is I minus 1, this is I minus 2. Okay. dpi forward means you are going from I minus 2 to I, right? So answer will be what? B of I plus dpi minus 2 forward. dpi minus 2 forward means you reached here this I minus 2 from I minus 4. Okay. But guys, there is another way also possible. You can use here dpi minus 2 backwards also. That is also allowed. This backwards means what? Backwards means from I minus 3 you went to I minus 1 and then you went back to I minus 2 and from here you went to I. So this time both of them are allowed in your case. None of them will, like all of them will make sure you revisit each index only one time. So guys, this is the formula of DPI forward. Is everything clear to everyone? Now guys, this is mind blown, I know. So now guys, you have to do lots of deep analysis for this kind of problem. So guys, DPI forward, DPI backward, blah blah blah. And now I open the C++ code. See, you are going from 1 to n. You are writing the basic values, guys. DP1 forward, the first number. DP1 backward. You cannot reach 1 in a backward fashion. Okay. I hope you guys understand. If this is an array given to you, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You cannot go from like here to 2 and then back here, because this is not existing. So whenever something is not possible, you declare it as int max. Okay, you declare it as int max. Okay, enjoying the problem, right? Yeah, yeah. This is not just complicated, this is very interesting. This is opening your brain. dp2 of 2 also done. dp2 of 1, guys, done. And guys, you are writing the formula. See guys, same formula. 1 means backward. Backward means B of I plus B of I plus 1 plus dp I minus 1 2. This I taught you few minutes back. And this is the forward jump. Forward means it is sure you are coming from I minus 2 only. But for I minus 2 only. But both the forward and backward states you can consider this time. Okay. And guys, that's it. You get the dp of n. Now guys, the interesting thing is, you guys, can you use your brain and tell me, everyone, what will be the final answer to the question? अब मजा आने वाला है, ठीक है? This is the index n, this is the index n minus 1. One of the final answer will be dpn forward. Whoever agrees with me, write yes, 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 yes in the chat. dpn forward. If you are reaching this like this, then yes, you have reached the final index. This is one of the possible answer. dpn forward. You guys agree with this? dpn forward लिखो. n minus 1 की बात नहीं कर रहा, लास्ट वाले की बात कर रहा हूँ. If you reach the last guy in a ascending order, then yes, your job is done. dpn forward is one of the answer. Guys, is dp of n backward possible? Write yes or no in the chat. Is dp of n backward possible? No. Array n plus 1 index does not exist. So dp of n plus n backward cannot be the answer. Only n forward can be the answer. Now guys, अभी आपके आंखों के पट्टे खुलने वाले हैं. dpn minus 1 backward is also a correct answer. This much care you need to take care in this problem. If you are reaching n minus 1 from backward, then you can just jump outside, right? Everyone write dp n minus 1 backward if they agree with this. Then n minus 1 backward is also correct answer. Now, do you guys know dpn minus 1 forward is also a possible answer? There are three possibilities in the final answer. Just solving the question is not enough. You need to print the minimum. Why n minus 1 forward is also the answer? If you come at n minus 1 in sorry dp I did some mistakes in saying. See, this is index n minus 1, and like this there are many there. See, dp n forward. I'm interchanging the words forward backward. Sorry for that. DPN forward is correct. Forward means you jump from here to here and you have reached the last index. Now you can jump outside. DPN minus 1 forward is also correct. It means you have reached n minus 1 like this, okay? And now you jump outside. But DPN minus 1 backward is also correct. Backward means you went from n minus 2 to n, then you went from n to n minus 1, reaching n minus 1 in backward fashion, now jumping outside. So guys, this is a really mind-boggling problem. Minimum of these three values gives you the final answer. And yeah, you guys now got it correct. So you guys can see minimum of three value dp n2 n minus 1 2 n minus 1 1, and guys we get the answer. And you guys can see the Java code also. Python we are going to upload it very soon. You guys don't need to worry. Java also you can see, guys. Okay. By the way, I had like solved this problem 362 days ago also. इतने दिन पहले भी तुम्हारे सर ने सब करके रखा था. So anyways, time and space complexity I hope you guys already know. We don't need to discuss O of n time, O of n space. Okay.